In this video, I'm going to show you how to make some banana bread. Banana bread is a moist and sweet quick bread typically made with mashed bananas and has a crunchy crust. Here's how you make the banana bread. You're going to need 2 eggs, 6 tablespoons and a teaspoon of canola oil, 2 tablespoons of sour cream, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, a teaspoon of baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, and a 1/2 teaspoon of sea salt. You will also need 1 cup and 2.5 tablespoons of granulated sugar, 2 1/4 ounces of dark chocolate, and walnuts if you like, and don't forget the mashed bananas. Put the eggs and granulated sugar in a bowl of a stand mixer fitted with the whisk attachment. Mix on a high speed until light, fluffy, and pale yellow. Drizzle in the oil while whisking on high speed. Reduce the speed to low and add in the sour cream and vanilla. Add in the flour mixture and mix on low speed just until all the ingredients are incorporated. Fold in the mashed bananas by hand, mixing just until incorporated. Add in the chocolate and or your favorite nuts and mix until everything is incorporated. If you're gonna bake them in the oven with a loaf pan, you're gonna need to scoop 5 cups of batter. Or if you're gonna bake them in the muffin pan, you're gonna need to scoop 1/3 cup of batter. It looks like we're missing something. Aha! We forgot to add the streusel on top of each muffin. For that, you're gonna need 1 cup and 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, 3/4 teaspoon ground cinnamon, 2 cups of light brown sugar, and 1/2 cup of unsalted butter. Now let's put it in the oven and bake it for 20 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Ooh. The recipe can be modified to include optional ingredients like raisins or coconut. Taste and texture, sweet and full of banana flavor with a crunchy crust. I hope that you liked this video. You could share some banana bread with a friend or a family member. You can also like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Michaela Loves Red. And you can also upload some photos of your homemade banana bread on Instagram. Enjoy the banana bread!
Nana said, banana bread. Bananas and 2 cups of flour, butter, and some baking powder. Add brown sugar, just a cup, then 2 eggs and mix it up. A pinch of salt, we're almost done. A splash of milk and cinnamon. Nana said,